How to fix Spotify keeps pausing songs. Hey there, welcome or welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. If your Spotify is keep on pausing songs, there are some of the reasons why and along with the solution. Firstly, because your Wi-Fi is lagging. If your Wi-Fi connection is not optimum or in a optimistic speed, you might face some of the problem regarding it. In that case, you can just switch into a cellular data, or you can even try by enabling airplane mode for a couple of seconds, then you can turn it back off and switch into a better Wi-Fi connection. This will solve the lag issue due to the Wi-Fi connectivity. Second is there is cache or bug built up into your Spotify causing it to glitch. To solve it, tap open your phone settings. Scroll down to select on the apps. Here, head over to all apps and search for Spotify. Now in here, firstly tap on the first stop button and OK. Then click on permissions. Now from here, make sure that you have toggled on all of the permission that it requires. Then head back and click on storage and cache and tap on clear cache to remove any of the bug or the glitch issue. So this will help you to solve the problem of your Spotify keep on pausing songs. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.